India's history and geography mixed quiz. Okay. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
In which year did India gain independence?
1947.
Who is known as the father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Right. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan.
Who founded the Maurya Empire?
Who founded what?
Maurya Empire.
Chandragupta Maurya.
Right. Which emperor embraced Buddhism after the Kalinga War?
Ashoka.
Ancient university was located in Bihar.
Nalanda University.
Yes, right. Who was the first president of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru. What?
No.
President.
President.
Rajendra Prasad.
Yes. In which year was the Constitution of India adopted?
1949.
Yes. Which freedom fighter is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes. Which movement was launched in 1942?
Quit India movement.
Right. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay. Who was the last Mughal emperor?
Bahadur Shah Zafar.
In which city did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place?
Amritsar.
Yes, right. Which British company first established trade in India?
East India Company.
Yes. Who wrote the Indian national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Which empire was founded by Babur?
Mughal Empire.
Yes, right. Which Indian leader was known as the Iron Man of India?
Mahatma Gandhi.
No.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes, yes. What was the capital of Mughal Empire during Shah Jahan reign?
Shah Jahanabad. Today it's called Old Delhi.
Right. Which battle in 1757 marked the beginning of British rule in India?
Battle of Plassey.
Yes. Who founded the Gupta Empire?
Samudragupta.
Which famous leader led the Dandi March?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes. Now it's geography. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Which is the longest river in India?
Ganges. Today it's called Ganga.
Yes, right. Which mountain range forms India's northern border?
Mount Everest. That's it.
Which is the largest state by area?
Rajasthan.
Which is the smallest state by area?
Goa.
Right. Which is the smallest? Acha. Which desert lies in western India?
Thar.
Which ocean is south of India?
Indian Ocean.
Which state is known as God's own country?
Kerala.
Right. Which Indian state shares the longest international border?
West Bengal.
Which is the largest city in India by population?
Mumbai.
Right. Okay. Which state is famous for the Sundarbans?
Sundarbans. West Bengal.
Yes. Right. Which is the largest island group of India in the Arabian Sea?
Largest what?
Largest island group.
Lakshadweep.
Right. Which sea lies west of India?
West of India?
Hmm.
Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea, right. Which bay lies east of India?
Bay of Bengal.
Right.
If you want more quizzes video like this, subscribe to Histography.
Which emperor was known as Akbar the Great?
Obviously, it's Akbar.
Right. Which state has the longest coastline?
Gujarat.
Right. Which is the southmost point of mainland India?
Kanyakumari.
Yes. Which river flows through Delhi?
Yamuna.
Right. Which state is famous for tea gardens?
West Bengal. No. That's Assam.
Right.
Assam.